Welcome to the program Strive to Thrive, not only succeeding but flourishing as a junior lawyer. My name is Tracy Kepler, and I will be with you for the next hour speaking to this topic. The term lawyer well-being may seem like an oxymoron. For a junior lawyer, the demanding hours, the pressures to bill, and the stressful work environments can be overwhelming and often have detrimental effects. It seems impossible to manage the high levels of stress and combat burnout while at the same time finding time for self-care. During the next hour, we will look at the data related to the prevalence of mental health issues and substance use disorders in the profession, particularly in lawyers under 30 years of age or 10 years out of law school, and discuss certain indicators of burnout. In addition, I will present some best practices, effective strategies, and preventative measures that junior lawyers can implement so that they not only thrive, but flourish in any practice setting. The best way to start is to set the stage with some recent data on the health and well-being of the profession and to get a feel for where the legal profession currently stands in relation to the historically substantial challenges presented by mental health and substance use disorders. In 2016, the ABA Commission on Lawyers Assistance Programs and Hazelden Betty Ford published their study of nearly 13,000 currently practicing attorneys. The study looked at both substance use and mental health issues and covered all age groups, diversity, and geographic and practice settings. The research was published in an article entitled "The Prevalence of Substance Use and Other Mental Health Concerns Among American Attorneys" and was published in the Journal of Addiction Medicine. Respondents had to be an actively practicing attorney all across the country, urban, rural, diversity, different practice areas, years in practice, and work environments, and different fields and practice areas. An interesting side note on the data was that the researchers thought that they would see a higher percentage of distress symptoms with litigators, but they did not. With regard to alcohol use, they used a questionnaire called the Audit 10, which has been found to provide an accurate measure of risk across gender, age, and cultures. It measures problematic drinking, including hazardous and possibly alcohol dependence. The results really turned preconceived notions on their ears. Rather than being more seasoned professionals with higher rates of problematic alcohol use, it was the younger attorneys, or attorneys younger than 30, that had a greater issue, 32% to 20% for all attorneys, and 6.4% for the general population. You can see the breakdown by age group in this table. We see the reverse relationship to ages, years in the field, and positions. Younger, less experienced attorneys working in junior positions had the highest audit scores. Private firm or bar association and junior associates also had the highest levels. The survey also asked the question whether you ever thought your use of alcohol or other substances was a problem. If yes, then before, during law school, within 15 years after law school, or more than 15 years out. 22.6% felt their use of alcohol or substances was a problem sometime during their lives. 27.6% reported problematic use prior to law school. 14.2% reported problematic use starting during law school. And of the most concern, nearly 50% reported problematic use that started within the first 15 years following law school.